Hello everyone and welcome, dear friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can check the activation date on your iPhone. Be sure, friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes to this video and please write your comments after watching it. So let us get down to our topic with you. If you need to find out the activation date of your iPhone for some reason, it's basically very easy to do. To do this, please open the settings. And then you'll need to go to the mobile data section. And here, you will need to scroll down to the very bottom. See, at the bottom, you'll find a specific date and time. This date and time corresponds to when you last, let's say, activated your iPhone, or when you reset your iPhone to the last settings, to factory settings. For example, if you friends activated your iPhone that was new, then you would have the activation date here. If after you activated your iPhone, or maybe you bought it not new or someone gave it to you as a gift, then 100% your iPhone was reset before you used it. And it will say here the last date you reset your iPhone to factory settings. This, friends, is the method you can use to check the activation date on your iPhone. Don't forget to please put your like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.